welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved, and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, I am packaging my low sugar ring donuts for sales at my church. These are the tools and then ingredients I'm using for today's packaging of low sugar ring donuts. So I'll be using a food globe. I also use a mini stapler, plain bags for packaging, and then I'll use this rubber at the end of it all. And we'll also be using my business stickers here. These are the low sugar ring donuts. The recipe is linked below in the description box. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. So I'm going to wear the gloves. I'll pick up the rubber bag or the packaging rubber, open, and then I'll remove some out of it. Now I'll place them down. Open it like so, and then I'll pick 3 of the donuts like this, place it in like so, fold the ends of the rubber, and then I'll staple. So I've done one. I'll do same for the other side, and this is it. So we'll use this same process to do all the others. I'll put it down. This is how they look like, with my business sticker beautifully displayed on them. We are going to package them with our rubber here. This is our first seal, so I decided not to make it plenty. I just wanted to test the market and see. So I'll place it in. And this is how I'll send it to church tomorrow morning, God willing. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we'll meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.